There are superstars, and then there are icons whose honesty makes them unforgettable. Dharmender, Hindi cinema's beloved He-Man, lived life king-size. But behind the charm, stardom, and swagger, a man was fighting a quiet battle. In an interview back in 2007, he spoke candidly about his long struggle with alcohol, admitting that quitting drinking turned his life around. Dharmender's old revelation went viral just days after his passing at the age of 89. I used to drink heavily, but I have realized that it doesn't go with me. It's the worst thing. If I hadn't touched it, I would have been a different Dharmender. I would have concentrated much more and in a much better way, which I couldn't. Reflecting on his journey, he said that while he never used his lifestyle to harm anyone, alcohol slowly started affecting his stamina, thinking, and clarity. He revealed that he had quit drinking 8 years earlier and had attempted sobriety many times, staying away for 6 to 8 months before relapsing. The turning point came during a flight to Los Angeles when he challenged himself to stay away from alcohol completely. I took it as a test for myself. The same determination resurfaced, the one I had when I wanted to become an actor. Why can't you be without drinks? And God helps those who help themselves. Now, when I have left drinking, I feel like I enjoy much more than what I used to. पी के शराब खुद से दूर हो गए थे, छोड़ के इसे अपने पास आ गए. It was an honest confession from a man celebrated for his strength. His journey shows that courage is not in never stumbling, but in having the resolve to stand back up. Dharmender passed away on November 24th at his Mumbai residence at the age of 89, leaving the industry and millions of fans heartbroken. Bollywood mourned the loss of its original He-Man, remembering not just the superstar, but the deeply human figure behind it.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है.
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है. फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing, you guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.